Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is October the 17th on a Tuesday. And taking a look at the markets this morning, as I mentioned yesterday, we're right in the middle of no man's land. Don't feel like you really have to do anything. This is where you can really sit on your hands and kind of wait for your pitch. But nonetheless, we are gapping down this morning. Looks like below yesterday's low. So see if we're going to remain in this kind of tight range here. But let's take a look at some opportunity. I mentioned this one yesterday. I'm still liking this MNSO. This is a trying to play this in a kind of tight wedge there. I'm not going to draw it, but you can see it. So watch for maybe a 3-day, 4-day high there in that MNSO. Still like an Akamai. It's just been kind of just levitating up here, not going anywhere, but still very much nice bullish pattern intact. Maybe a 3-day high in there, something you can watch. Another one on the list is PDD. Is kind of, this is I'm looking for a pullback. I would love to catch something down here back to 100, back to this breakout level. We are seeing a gap down today, so maybe just put you an alert down there. Just set it and forget it, we like to say, maybe right around the 101 level. And there you have it. Let's see. PLTR is on the list only because it is above its moving averages. And I like the tail yesterday here at the 10-period moving average. Now it's gapping down. Looks like it's close to that level. But what I would like to see is a break above yesterday's high in that PLTR. That's it for today, guys. Keep it tight. Like, there's no reason. I mean, if you are gonna play of small size starter positions. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.